This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on NFC in settings and keeping both phones unlocked. This is required so the radios can talk. Once done, open the exact app, contact, or file you plan to share so the target content is ready to transmit. Make sure to remove thick cases and place the phones' backs near each other. This aligns the NFC coils. Do this now. You want the devices physically near before you proceed so the handoff can begin without delays. Once the devices are aligned, hold them steady so the coils maintain contact. Misalignment causes drops. You'll usually see a prompt, tap accept, send, or share to initiate the transfer. This prevents accidental sends. Select the destination app or confirm the action when requested, because NFC often just starts the connection and a secondary transfer method, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct, finishes the job. Keep an eye on the progress indicator. Stay still until you see a success message or tone. After the transfer completes, open the receiving app or downloads to verify the file or contact arrived intact. This confirms success and prevents duplicate sends. When finished, turn off NFC if you don't use it often to avoid accidental exchanges and save a bit of power. If things go wrong, realign the phones exactly back to back, toggle NFC off and on, and retry. If problems persist, restart both phones. This clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.